how to change the send mail swish sound on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, swipe up to go down and tap on Send Mail. In here, by default, it is set to the classic swoosh sound. In here, you can select a different sound. You can even choose a sound outside here from the top in the alert tone. And so from the list here, select one of the available sounds. And after that, tap on the back key and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.